This is Ella. She's a kind and playful girl. And this is Bella, her favorite stuffed bunny. Ella takes Bella everywhere. One sunny day, Ella went to the playground. She was so excited. She put Bella down for just a moment to go play on the slide. But another child saw Bella and thought she was a lost toy. They picked her up and gave her a big hug. When Ella saw someone else holding Bella, she felt really upset. Her face got hot, her chest felt tight, and she wanted to cry. Ella's mom noticed and said, "Ella, I see you're upset. Instead of crying, can you tell me what's wrong?" Ella took a deep breath, and then she said, "That's my bunny. I don't want to lose Bella." Mom smiled and said, "You did a great job using your words. Now let's talk to the other child together." Ella walked over and said, "That's my bunny. Can I have her back, please?" The other child smiled and said, "Oh, I didn't know. Here you go." Ella felt so proud of herself. She got Bella back by using her words instead of crying. Ella learned that using her words helps others understanding her feelings. Next time you feel upset, take a deep breath and use your words, just like Ella.